In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download games in Microsoft Store in Laptop. To get started, open the Microsoft Store on your laptop. The easiest way to do this is by clicking the shopping bag icon on your taskbar. If you don't see it there, simply open your Windows Start menu, type in Microsoft Store, and launch the app from the search results. Once it opens, give it a moment to fully load so everything displays properly. Next, head over to the Gaming section. You'll find the Gaming tab on the left sidebar menu. Clicking this helps filter out regular apps and takes you straight into the game catalog, which makes browsing much easier if you're specifically looking for games instead of general software. Once you're in the Gaming section, move to the search bar at the top of the window. Type the exact title of the game you want, such as Minecraft or Roblox, and then press Enter. Using the full game name can help you find the correct result faster, especially if there are multiple similar listings. When the search results appear, click on the game you want. This opens the game's description page where you can review details like the game title, images, and install options. Make sure you're selecting the correct version before moving on. Now look for the main action button. If the game is free, or if it's included with an active Xbox Game Pass subscription, click Get or Install. If the game is paid, click Buy instead. At that point, Microsoft Store will guide you through choosing a payment method before the download begins. After that, the button should change to Downloading, and you'll see a progress bar showing the installation status. Wait for it to finish completely. Once the download is done, click the blue Play or Open button to launch the game and start playing right away.